Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon.
Indenting text is an important element of formatting a document in Word. This tutorial is going to show you how to indent in Word. One of the most popular indents is placing a short space before the text of a paragraph begins. The easiest way to do this is to click before the text in the paragraph and press the Tab key on the keyboard. An indent will appear, and the first line indent marker on the ruler at the top will move along the ruler. We'll go back a step now by pressing Ctrl and Z to show you how to make an indent manually. Click the first line indent marker and drag it along the ruler. As you go, an indent will appear in whatever paragraph your cursor is in. To apply this type of indent to the whole file, press Ctrl and A to select everything and move the marker again. To indent all of the text in a paragraph, you will need to use the hanging indent marker, which is the middle marker on the ruler. Undo the changes we just made and use this marker to change the hanging indent. Again, to apply this indent to the whole document, select everything and repeat. To indent the whole paragraph, you should use the lowermost marker. Undo the changes once again and click this marker and drag it across. To apply this sort of indent to the whole document, you need to select all again and repeat the process. And these are the simple steps for doing an indent in Word.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.